My name is Haley Carmody, and I am originally from Noblesville, Indiana. So this is a picture of me and my fiance. We are getting married May 19th, so I'm super excited to start that chapter of my life. I am an LN major, but my emphasis is in history. A fun, interesting fact about me is I've played piano since I was 3 years old. I haven't played it that much since high school, but I still enjoy to kind of just like messing around. Another fun thing I did is I did show choir. So I love to sing, love to be on stage, and I love to perform. So I'm hoping that I'll be able to apply what I learned in this course in my classroom because there's a bunch of different cultures and you kind of need to be aware of that when teaching kids because in some cultures some things are acceptable and in others they're not, and you don't want to offend all your kids, and you want to make sure that you include all of them in this learning environment and let them have a positive, uplifting experience. This is a picture of my family at the Indianapolis, Indiana Temple Open House. It was a really exciting time because some of my families are members in this picture are non-Mormon, but we all got together and we all got to go in. So it was a really cool, neat experience, and my younger sister and I got to be part of the cultural celebration, which was really awesome. I learned from the test that one learning style is not superior to another. They're all about the same, it's just your personal preference. My top learning style was concrete sequential, which is saying that I needed step-by-step instructions and a quiet environment to study in. I also needed to see an example of know where to restart. I wasn't surprised by this result because I need a quiet place to study. I can't have too many distractions going on, and oftentimes I'm a very ordered person and structured person, so I need to see you do this, this, this to kind of know where to guide my direction and to guide my thinking. That's some things about me.